Now let's see how to implement an interstitial ad in Android Studio. And for this, I'll be using the Amazon Mobile Ads API, which I've downloaded from their developer site. If you still need to download that API, please refer back to our reading node for instructions. Otherwise, follow along with my code and we'll test our end result together. So I've opened Android Studio and titled a new project named My Interstitial Ad. You can name yours whatever you want, but keep in mind that it's always good to have a clear and descriptive name. Then let's create a new blank activity, and I'll name it Interstitial Ad Activity. Okay, great, and we can see we have a few bare bones things in here already. We have our XML layout file here, and our interstitial ad activity. The most important method to us here is going to be our onCreate method, which sets our view up so that we can display our interstitial ad. So I've copied this jar file and pasted it into our project in the Java Libs folder. Then we need to click it and say Add as Library. Now we should be able to open it, and we can see all the classes and interfaces that we have access to, like Ad Layout and Listener, and also Interstitial Ad. We also needed to add a couple lines of code to our Android Manifest XML file. So let's take a look at that. Inside our Applications tag, I've added lines that reference Amazon's Ad Activity package. And outside of the Application tag, you can see that I've also declared the permissions we need to use, which let us use the internet to retrieve ads. I've also added these extra ones that allow us to get the user's locational data. These can be useful if you want to target ads to a specific location. So make sure you've changed your Android manifest and included your library. And now let's dive into our Java code to make an interstitial ad.